Are you a designer looking to enhance your creativity? 3 AI tools for designers that will take your designs to the next level. Number 1. On our list is StableDoodles.ai, which transform your doodles into real images in seconds. It gives different tools, you can see that. But now I am trying to make rough doodle strawberry shape. And simply write a prompt red strawberry in a water background. It will give you 4 results. Now second on our list is Google Auto Draw. It allows you to free draw and convert into an icon. Also give us samples on top. You see that and give to a lot of options according to your drawing. It is time-saving when you need icons. Number 3 on our list is runway.ai, which gives you a lot of tools, but I am trying one of my best tool which convert your still image into video. Simply import an image and click on Generate. It convert your image into video. These AI tools are your secret weapons for your creativity. I hope you enjoy the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.